It's your girl T, back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. If you have subscribed to the channel, hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are prepping to get the carpet clean. We will be in the family room, the hallway, and in the dining room. I will be showing you a space today that I had never shown you guys before. It is the main living room. So in this space, I'm not too happy about it. I'm working on it. I have taken out the furniture already. So I have those items listed on Facebook Marketplace. The couches are still in place. I have removed some items off the wall. So hopefully soon we'll be working on this room together. If you are interested in seeing what I'm doing today, just keep on watching. In this space, I have removed the end tables. And so it's kind of empty. Don't judge me. So let's get into today's video. I'm going to share the living room with you. Then we'll get into the family room to start prepping so that the carpet can get cleaned. Welcome to my living room. So in this space, I would like to get rid of the furniture. The wall art, and I would like to get rid of the vertical blinds. I'm not sure if I want to paint the door black because this is a beautiful wood, so I'm kind of thinking about if I want to paint it or keep it as is. Now this wall here, I want to paint it black. As well as the door. I like to paint it black or the wall white. Let me know what you guys think. Now this main wall here, I want to paint it black. So it leads into the hallway and it's the dining room. So this is the hallway. We just removed the accent table. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking of like a white or beige. I'm not sure if I want a sectional or just a sofa. Gold accents, like a gold curtain rod, long cream or ivory curtains, maybe some black and gold wall arts. So let me know what you guys think. But as of right now, this is not my happy place. So we'll see. I hope this video motivated you to get some things done around your home. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.